Today is May 3rd, 2023. Good trip up to Minneapolis, fantastic. Today's haul includes way more dollar signs than I ever care to ever look back and even comprehend ever again. So, you see my plane stand back there. S1100, finally got the charger upgraded. 4,000 milliamp battery for this, extra float set. And props. We'll be painting the tips on these. Alright, no idea what's going to be uploaded, what's going to stay. I think I'll do a float assembly video, but who knows. Let's get to it, I guess. So, here we are. Twin Timber, released probably a month ago. This was the only one the hobby store had left. So I took it, optional float set, dual motors, pretty cool, upgraded landing gear. Yeah, pretty standard affair there. I do have my Timber Evolution as well. Could put that side by side and show you what's going on there, but as you all know, unboxing a new plane is really a experience. It's hours of setting up work and setup and putting it together, getting it all perfect. And, you know, I'm known for, let's see, obsessive compulsive disorder on everything being perfect. So, yeah. 4,004 cell 30C. I know 30C isn't much. I hope it's adequate. S1100. I'm really excited for this. Then we can just ignore that. I've been wanting a smart charger for a long time now. I have two 3200s Spectrum. Let me grab those quick. So since we're doing the flight thing, I've logged pretty much every flight I've done since I've started this. I think this is my new, oh no, the original Timber. Yeah, I note everything. So this is all my flights. Here's my little backpack. I bought this for like $10 at Walmart. It's perfect actually. DX80 I'd like to upgrade, but you know, things cost money. So this is what we'll be using with this. Here's my two current batteries. 4S3200, which will work in this, but I did want a 4,000 as this is a dual motor, and I want, you know, a couple options to go with. So really excited to see how these plug into the smart charger and how many charges they got on them and, you know, all that fun stuff. So zip it up, put it on my back, and she's good to go. Walmart. Thank you. Good to grab this. Guess we're gonna have to do a push-a-rooney. This up here. Oh, so exciting. How many minutes are we in? 5 minutes? Yeah, it's okay. buddy. That's a big wing. All right. Not even gonna take the gear out of the box because we're doing floats. I only float fly. Oh, comes with the spring attached though. Yeah, those are some big uns. Oh, new mounting methods. They have a bushing in there now with this new reinforced spring. That's nice. That's nice. Someday. 1, 2. Like I said, we will be taping each one of these, and at least one set of props is going to get coat tonight. Is this right? Yes. Extra props. Not that I should ever need them, but it's just something you want to do. So set these off to the side. Slats, leading edge slats, won't be using those, I don't think, so. And one wing. Holy mother. This is way thicker than the original timber. Look at that. This thing is gargantuan. Big motor in there, big flaps. Big flap. This is, the original timber is like this. This is, wow. It's heavy too. Wow. Interesting. As you know, we always pack it back exactly the way it was. So, I think we're going to do this. And this. I don't know. It's never a good side to open, I guess. I've already lost my razor. Unbelievable. Tail spar, center wing spar. That just went in there. Standard from other timber. Center spar, bushings of some sort. Small screw, those will be set screws. There's 3 of them. That is for the tail section of the floats. Washers, prop adapters. Green and a red. Oh, a little bit of a foam block holding this wing in. Show camera, foam block. Just for future reference. Foam block. 2 foam blocks right on the corners. Oh, okay. Big foam block. That. So this went this. Huh, okay. Oh, even a protector on the servo exhaust outlet there. Okay, interesting. Manual. We'll be looking at that. Oh, kind of stuck. Tail section. Tail section. They're on the bottom there. Tail section. So this goes in here. These. Oh, that one like that. Like that, yep. And these can just go in there. Yep, so that's take out of that. This to cut that. Piece of wood. Oh. Those are not stuck very well. Here she is. Oh wow, look at that. The TA, that's a lot of wires going every which place. Programming plugs. There's your wing connections right there. What is this? Bind, I think this is the bind plug here. Servos down there. Let's see if I can't take off the hatch. Big battery compartment, should fit a lot of batteries. Ah, it's really nice not having a prop up here, I must say. Really nice. That's tough. That's a tough battery compartment. More stickerage. This is one of the first releases, so I wouldn't be surprised, but in terms of foam imperfection, that's some of the smoothest foam I've ever seen, actually. that you can barely see the cells in there anymore. They're getting really good at this foam stuff. Tail section. Center that. Is the wheel centered? Nope. Always love it when the wheel's not centered very well, but not to worry because we're doing floats. Well, there she is. Well, I guess I'll show you everything and we'll call it. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. There she is. Whew. Props. Fuselage. This pops off. Prop adapters, hubs, wing assembly, and float cable attachment, which is always fun adjusting those. Carbon fiber, I think spars. Tail section. A little bit of bubbling on the sticker, but I pushed that right out. Yeah, overall, in terms of like foam quality and imperfections on this one, I'm pretty pleased. I think this is better than my Evolution actually came. So this is nice. Big giant wings, thick too, very thick. So this will go together like so. Yeah, she's gonna be a big one. So, I think that's pretty much about it. Here's the manual. I think I'm gonna get to assembling, and I'll bring you guys back when it's time to put the floats on. So, thanks for watching. This video probably won't stay up long, but there she is. Turbo, timber, twin timber. Zoom in. We'll do that. Got the plane stand. Got the box. We're all good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in a little bit.